Hello friends, Namaste. Welcome to Acknowledge India YouTube channel. This is Manoj Deva. Today I am presenting you Press Information Bureau News on Air 3rd July 2017's current affairs along with writing challenge. Let's move on to our first news. DRDO developed quick reaction surface to AIL missile. It was successfully flight tested from ITR Chandipur off the Odisha coast at 11:30 am today. All the technologies and subsystems incorporated in missile have performed well, meeting all the mission's requirements. All the radars, electro-optical systems, telemetry systems, and other stations have tracked the missile and monitored all the parameters. When you talking about Odisha coast and missile test, we need to consider two things. One is that Wheeler Island, we call it as Dr. Abdul Kalam Island. It's near to 70 kilometers from Chandipur, and also near to the Wheeler Island there is a place called Gahir Mata Marine Sanctuary. Why it is very famous? Because the world's largest roorkee of the endangered olive ridley sea turtles is here. The bright lights installed at missile testing facility on the island caused some baby turtles to get lost as they were attracted towards the light. During the nesting season of turtles, missile testing is restrained and lights are masked during the season. The Chandipur in news, but in 2017's prelims paper we got one question related to Chandipur. So this is the question. At one of the places in India, if you stand on the seashore and watch the sea, you will find that the sea waters recedes from the shoreline a few kilometers and came back to the shore twice a day. And you can actually walk on the sea floor when the water recedes. This is a unique phenomena seen at. So they given the options like Bhavnagar, Bhimunipatnam, Nagapatnam and Chandipur. Anyhow, Bhavnagar is in the western coast, so you can easily delete this. Bhimunipatnam, no idea about this. And Nagapatnam, it's a famous site of French colony. So one of the option is Chandipur, so option C, Chandipur is correct. So if you look into this picture, here people are walking kilometers into the sea floor. So this is the correct answer for the question. You can check with the picture. A proud moment to India is that Indian women cricket team won ICC Women's World Cup 2017 against Pakistan. Let's see some important historical moments in Indian history about cricket. The British brought cricket to India in early 1700 with the first cricket match played in 1721. The first Indian cricket club was established by Parsi community in Mumbai in 1848. The first official Indian cricket team was formed in 1911 and toured England, where they played England country teams. The Indian team made their test debut against England in 1932. Around the same time, that means 1934, the first women's test was played between England and Australia. However, women's cricket arrived in India much later. The Women's Cricket Association of India was formed in 1973. The women's team played their first test match in 1976 against West Indies as a part of International Cricket Council initiative to develop women's cricket. The Women's Cricket Association of India merged with the Board of Control of Cricket in India in 2006. So today's question is that gender equality in sports, how India can empower women in sports. Word limit 200. please send me to acknowledgeindia@gmail.com. Let's move on to our next news. Floods in Assam. Every year we are observing that Assam is mostly affected by floods. I'm giving you some of the important causes for floods in Assam. The first cause is that the mighty Brahmaputra. This is the world's sixth largest river in terms of water resources. The total length of the river is 2,906 kilometers with a 918 kilometers flowing through India, which includes 640 kilometers through Assam. Brahmaputra has 41 tributaries with 26 flowing in north bank and 15 in south bank. Immediate causes of floods. Heavy rains this year in Arunachal Pradesh, Bhutan, Upper Assam have resulted in Brahmaputra and its tributaries to flow above the danger mark. The excess water was broken embankment in many places caused severe floods along with the route, especially in the regions of lower Assam. And major causes of floods and soil erosion. The natural causes are geology and geomorphology of the region, physiographic conditions in valley, and seismic activity and excessive rainfall. And man-made causes are man-made embankments and human encroachment of riverine areas. Let's see some of the important wildlife sanctuaries and national park in Assam state. The first is that Manas Wildlife Sanctuary. Here, pygmy hug is the critically endangered species. This is the picture of pygmy hug. And also golden langur is also there. It's endangered. And another big wildlife sanctuary is Kaziranga National Park. Kaziranga National Park is world's heritage site. The park hosts 2/3 of the world great one-horned rhinos. So you can see the picture of rhinos, one-horned rhinos. In this region, we'll find Dibru-Sikwa National Park. It's famous for migratory birds and wild horses. And also Holangpur Gibbon Wildlife Sanctuary. Thank you for visiting our channel. For more updates, please subscribe Acknowledge India YouTube channel. And also, if you want any kind of help or any kind of material, please contact us to the acknowledgeindia@gmail.com. This is your Manu signing off. Thank you.